What's up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $100 per day on ClickBank without a website, and the process I'm going to share with you literally converts like crazy, and you will be able to easily achieve $100 a day going on ClickBank without using a website. Okay, so now we are simply going to hop on to the whiteboard, and after that I will be even taking you to ClickBank on how to find a product and also how to market your products. Okay, how to drive sales. Okay, so now what we are going to do over here, I'm going to be lay down every single step. Generally what we do, a lot of people do the blog system. They create a blog, they fill it up with 30 pages, etc, etc, and they do not get a ton of sales as compared to their blog post. So we are only going to do the simple work and we will be making a ton of money. Okay, because this process actually does work. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to simply, the first step over here is to find a good product on the ClickBank. Okay, so when I will head over to ClickBank, and when I search over here, when I just filter down over here, I just clicked on the green products. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, you can find the products on the ClickBank for any niche. If you cannot find the product, there's another way, and that is just simply search on Google, like for example, you're in the green products, like green juice, whatever it is. Okay, green juice affiliate programs. Okay, you can actually search over here, or like whatever it is. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, green juice affiliate programs. You can see over here, I was thinking that I was typing something wrong over there, but it was actually like a little bit internet slow. Okay, so you can actually search on the Google like that, and you will be able to see a ton of green juice affiliate programs. Look at this: Organifi affiliate resources, become an omega juicers affiliate, raw juice guru, green smoothie girl, whatever it is. Okay, so in that way you will be able to find the products. But if you are on the ClickBank, you can actually just sort it down by the gravity. Okay, first of all, you should have you only need to promote the product who have over 20 gravity. Okay, so now I'm going to filter it down, and you can see over here the products over here all are above 20 gravity. Okay, so now what we are going to do over here, we are going to filter it down more. We are going to filter it down by simply clicking over here the recurring. Okay, so basically what does I mean by that is, actually you need to find the recurring billing products. For example, they are going to join a membership. Okay, let's say in which membership the company is going to deliver them the green juice worth of like $1,000 every single month. So they are going to pay the company every single month, and we just need to send that guy to the company once, and the company, they are going to pay the company every single month. So we will be making the money till the guy is paying to the company. So that is why I like about the recurring products, because we just have to do the work once, and people will be really coming back again and again. They will paying again and again. We don't have to do the each of the work again and again. Okay, so we are going to filter it down by clicking on the recurring, and also there is a pitch plus option. Okay, so let's see if there is there are products. Look at this, very few products are having the recurring billing. Okay, and now we are also going to filter it down by clicking on the pitch plus. Now what does I mean by the pitch plus? Basically pitch plus simply means that let's say you are going there is a product, for example the product is of $100. Okay, you are going to send that guy to an affiliate link, and the product he there is selling over here is of $100. Okay, so after someone is going to buy the pitch in the pitch plus, if there is a pitch plus option, then he will be promoted a product of maybe $200, of maybe $500, and the catch is this: 25% of the people really buys these upsells. Okay, really buys the products of higher price if they are sold after the product they have sold. Like for example, someone is sold $100 products, then out of those 25% of people are going to buy the high ticket product, next high ticket product. Okay, so in this way your income is going to double likely overnight, like not overnight but instantly. Okay, but if there is no pitch plus option, then probably you are not going to make any money. Okay, because they are not selling any kind of products. So now we have also filtered them down. Now there are only 3 products left. Previously also 3 products were left. Okay, now we are going to see which product is better. Look at this, all are having the recurring billing. Okay, all are having the pitch plus option. Okay, so each one is having the billing option and stuff like that. So now what we are going to do over here, we are going to simply there are some of things you can do. You can, first of all, to find the product, just look at the product. The first thing that I do recommend is the product page should have a video sales letter, a video. Okay, because video really converts very well. And if you are going to send 100 visitors on a page where there is a video, okay, and they are selling something, probably a chance is that more people will convert as compared to you are sending 100 people to a page where there is no video but still they are selling the same thing. Probably there you are going to get higher conversion. So I would do recommend to find a product which is having the video on their sales page, okay. And thereafter I will also recommend you like the product price commission on every product should be over $30, and in all of the cases they have like over $40 commission, okay. So that's really nice over here, you can see. And look at this, the 10% plus conversion rates, that's really good, even if you can find that, okay. So thereafter you are going to just look at the product, what kind of the product is that, their page, etc, etc. You can actually find that, okay. I don't know why the internet really sucks sometime, okay. So over here you can see like there is nothing to be look a lot of the page or a lot on the page. Let me tell you what you need to look over there, okay. The first thing over here, as I already told you, a video, okay, a video over here. And thereafter like something like some kind of testimonials, okay, some kind of testimonials. And thereafter there should be a 30-day money back guarantee. These are the three main things that you need to, because the testimonials build up the trust, and the video sales letter converts really well, and also the 30-day money back guarantee take all of the risk from the buyer to the seller. So that is how these three things backs each one, okay. And that if a page is having these three things, probably it is going to convert really well, okay. I don't know why it sucks sometime, okay. So whatever it is, we can also look at other products sometimes, okay. You can simply find the product as I told you now, okay. So that is how you are going to find a good product. But the catch is how you are going to find how you are going to promote the product. And if you need any resources like sending emails or you need like you want to run the paid traffic, you can actually just click on the affiliate page and can see what are the resources available, what are the emails available, what are the videos available to use, okay. So that is another thing. And if you have any query, you can simply just shoot them an email over here, okay. And if they have good email support, they are going to reply you with and will be solving your query. So now let's say you're going to select a product, you just need to simply click on promote, and you can simply just get your hope link, whatever it is, okay. So now what we are going to do over here, what happened actually, okay. So what we are going to do over here, we are now going to promote the product. On how we are going to promote the product to get the sales, okay. Getting the sales is really not that much hard. So we are going to use the traffic source, that is YouTube, okay. And the traffic from the YouTube converts really well, because that is the kind of like warm traffic, or sometimes even hot traffic, warm traffic. It all depends on what kind of the traffic is that, okay. So for example, when I was searching on the ClickBank for the green juice products, so I also search it on the YouTube like green juice, okay. You can see over here the green juice. And so what we are going to see over here, there are a ton of methods to make money with the YouTube by promoting the products, okay. So what are those methods actually, okay. So what we are going to do now, we are going to simply just there are two methods. The first one over here is you are going to simply start creating the content, okay. So for example, you are going to create every day you are going to create a video about the green juice, okay. What are the benefits of green juice, how to make green juice at home, stuff like that, why you should why you should what I'm saying, eat, okay. It's a drink, why you should take the green juice every single day, and all about things like tips for losing fat, tips for losing fat, etc, etc. You're going to create the daily content on the YouTube, so that the people will be coming to your YouTube channel to get some tips. And what you can do in the end, you can tell them, hey, if you want to know more about green juice, check out this product, okay. When you are going to do that, you will start getting a ton of sales, because the people are coming to you and you are developing that trust over there. So that is really good way, okay. So now over here, the another method comes over here that also works very well, but what I do believe that you can make a combination of both of the methods, okay. So now what you are going to do over here, you are going to create a video and you are going to simply create a review, okay. For example, you are going to simply tell them the green juice review, okay, whatever it is, I just need to refresh this. So what we are going to do over here, we just need to create a review for this, okay. For example, we are going to find a product on the ClickBank like new battery reconditioning course versus conversions, whatever it is. Okay, so whatever you want, you are going to simply pick up the name of the product, and you're going to simply create a review for that. Now this time the people who are coming to watch your video, they are going to search like a whatever it is, like green juice review, etc, etc, because this time they are interested in buying the juice. That is why they are searching that. And probably if you can rank for this term, you will probably also start getting a ton of sales, because those guys are the hot leads. They are maybe the warm traffic. Okay, they want to buy, they are just looking for some kind of review. Okay, and also you can do one thing, you can give them bonus. You can tell them, if you are going to buy the green juice from my link, I will be giving you like a free ebook on how to make green juice at home. Whatever it is, you can simply share with that, and because this is going to improve your conversions. The more and more you are going to tell them, it's like giving them value. For example, if someone is going to take $10 from you, okay, someone is going to take $10 from you and will be giving you like $15, probably who is going to disagree? Nobody. So that is how you are going to do. If the product is of like $50, okay, and you are going to give the $50 worth of your ebook for free, then probably he will be thinking that this is really a nice deal. I'm getting $100 worth of stuff for just 50 bucks. I should try this out. This is absolutely going to help me a lot. Okay, so that is how you can actually do this thing. So now let me just also show you how people are making a lot of money on the YouTube as well. So for example, when I search for the green juice, well, it's not kind of like just a review word, okay, but still it's kind of like a green juice. Look at this, Dr. Oz, okay, Dr. Oz. This guy is having over 532,000 subscribers. He's really killing it. If he's going to create a review, probably a ton of people will be watching the video and will be making money. Okay, it will be buying the stuff, and he will be making a ton of money. And look at this, this guy is also sharing the recipe, and he's having over 1.54 million views. I'm sorry, it's subscribers. Probably he is also killing it, because these guys are providing value. They have paid the price, and now they do have a ton of subscribers. So if they are going to tomorrow they are going to promote a product, probably they are going to help them also. They are going to provide value, and in return the people will be buying from them, which in return is also going to help them to earn the commission. Okay, and also now let me take you to the sales page. Look at this, the sales page. Look at this, the video is over here, which is really good sign. Okay, and over here just look at this, the trust building, the factors where they are already seen. Okay, so going down you can see a lot of testimonials over here, and if you can find the video testimonials, those also convert very well. But I cannot see like anywhere like a buy button. Okay, maybe like so the buy button will open up like after we are going to watch some of the video. So that is also in some cases that also works very well. Okay, so look at this, there is a video, and probably in this video, in this page, is when someone is going to watch this video, after that the button will open up, and this also going to convert very well, because I have seen a top notch marketers like Anthony Morrison and many other marketers follow this tactic, and it also works very well. Okay, so you are going to find a page like this, a product like this, and thereafter just simply start promoting them, start giving value on the YouTube, also do the review kind of the review of the products, and after that you will be able to see that your channel will really start blowing up if you are providing right value, you are consistent, and it is really going to take a little more time, like 60 days, but 90 days maybe, but sometimes it is kind of going happening early for someone and maybe a little late for someone. But do not just forget about that, because these things actually does work. And I will see you now in the next video. Make sure you are going to watch this whole video if you need again. Okay, and you can also click the link in the description for more 100% free training on how to make money online. And also if you want more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you are not going to miss any other video.